This is a great point in time to start talking about, different ways to use hydroponics in the classroom. You have some plants that have been harvested. You have some plants that are still in the kind of middle of the road stage. And so, the first thing about this is a great place to get these units seeable. Make sure that students can see them. Get them out in the hallway, plug them in there, have them on tables where students can see. It will draw them in and get that interest point. That's going to be important for students to kind of understand what's going on. That's where a lot of questions will come in. This is that great time to start asking a lot of questions to your students. Really dig into, okay, did this go well? What were the problems? What were the issues? Get them start thinking and reflecting. Reflecting is always important and always good to say, what can I do better next time? Also ask, what were your successes? What were the things that you did really well that next time you're going to emulate and that you want to do more of? The other piece of this is, and you can see, is there's different types of plants growing here. We have different plants growing in each of the different systems. That's a great place to say, okay, now that it's growing, would you change them out? Do you want to do something different? As we grow the plants, we want to grow their minds too. Get them thinking about other things that they could do. Hey, this didn't work well. I want to try a different vegetable or a different type of maybe growing. Maybe I want to, do a carrot and have it grow down. And what does that do versus growing up above the water? So there's a lot of different things you can start looking at, but now's the time, as they see it, as they have started that growing, to really start to engage and get them thinking about what's next. How do I now grow something new? This is the place where, as you have it here, we're always talking about hands-on learning. This is that place for you to start saying, yeah, what are some other things that you can do in that world?